Assignment planning tips for students. In this video, we'll explore some of the most important elements of assignment planning so that you can avoid common pitfalls and mistakes when doing your research and writing. Tip number 1. Choose a topic. Choose a topic that is relevant to your course or field of study, but also consider broader topics that may be related or overlapping with it as well. For example, economics. Your instructor might assign something specific, but there may be other opportunities outside of class hours where additional topics are discussed, and this can help add ideas for future assignments such as research papers or presentations where more freedom exists when choosing material. Tip number 2. Collect relevant information. As a student, there are many ways to gather information for your assignments. First, use the internet. Search for relevant articles and papers that you can use as sources of information. The library is another great resource for finding books and journals on your topic of interest. Tip number 3. Write a draft. Write a draft. Use a template. Use a mind map. Use a flowchart. Tip number 4. Refine your draft. Make sure that assignment is well organized. Check for grammar and spelling mistakes. Check for plagiarism. If you're not sure if your work has been copied from somewhere else, check what Wikipedia considers to be acceptable citation format to make sure that all sources are properly cited, and double check that they were properly cited in your paper. Tip number 5. Proofread and edit. Use a proofreading tool. Ask someone else to proofread your work. Have multiple people proofread your work. You'll likely find mistakes that others won't notice because they're so familiar with what they've written. Assignment writing is an important part of education and you should know how to do it. There you have it. These are some of the best tips to help you write your assignments. Remember that it's important not to overcomplicate things, and that when in doubt, always ask a teacher or classmate.